Here we have a Citroen C3. It's a 2009 model, roughly 37,000 miles on the clock, and it's the 1.4 diesel engine. If you've serviced your car or changed the oil and filter and you need to reset the warning lights, I've already reset this one, so it does say 20,000 miles until it needs doing again. But you've got a spanner there, and the mileage would probably be a lot lower. But to reset it, I'll run through the procedure now. So to reset the spanner service lights, oil reminder lights, whatever you'd like to call it, and the mileage that tells you when it's due, you need access to this odometer button here. So all I'm going to do is push that in, hold it in, and then with the other hand, turn the ignition to position 2, which hasn't worked. So let me try again. Push that in, hold the button in, ignition position 2, there you go. You can see it's counting down now from 10 to 0. Just keep the button held in until it gets to 0. Release the button, ignition off, back on, and as you can see, you've got the 20,000 miles, which has already had because I'd already reset it, but that's basically how you reset your spanner light. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.